Welcome to our 10-minute morning workout. Let's get started right away. We're just going to go for a walk. You can walk if you like. I'm going to go into a little bit more of a march. I want to get the knees up. We're going to focus on the 2-minute rule today. Any activity, any task, any chore that you can do in 2 minutes or less, we do it immediately without delay. We don't think about it. We're going to remove procrastination out of our lives 2 minutes at a time. 5 exercises, 2 minutes each today. Going to modify them as we go. But just the simplicity and the power of a simple exercise for 2 minutes can transform our health. We don't need Herculean effort. We can become healthy, fit, and improve our cardiovascular health, build strength in 2 minutes at a time. We just build on that every single day. With consistency, we build that discipline, and we will be so much stronger, faster, sleeker, all those great things that we want, 2 minutes at a time. Just move whatever way works best for you. We're just getting warmed up. We're going to move for the entire 10 minutes. A little longer meditation at the end, because that's going to last 2 minutes also. The power of focus and paying attention. Let's twist a bit into our march. Simply walking. It's a superpower. 2 minutes at a time. Whenever you get an opportunity, go for a 2-minute walk. Adding a few extra steps to your day is so powerful. We talk about 10,000 steps. The real sweet spot is actually 7,000. 7,000 steps a day. It really should be our target. Not all at once. We just add to it. 2 minutes at a time. And we'll build incredible strength, endurance, strengthen our muscles, our bones, mental health particularly. Okay. Little squat pulse. The squat really is the most powerful body weight exercise we can do. Building good, strong legs so that we have excellent balance. Our legs are our most reliable form of transportation. We want to treat them well. You can go into a deeper squat if you're feeling it. But just getting warm in the morning, and this might do. Take any one of these exercises throughout your day and do it again. The power of 2 minutes really is remarkable. It's how we build consistency. Just by showing up day in and day out. Micro movements throughout the day, becoming more physically active, and we just compound that over time. 2 minutes, one exercise. Some can start to think of, oh, this is boring. Boredom is a gift. The ability to pay attention and focus. If you can be present, there's no such thing as boredom. Use your arms. Maybe think a little bit deeper as we're warmed up. I know there's some people working on 100 squats challenge for this month. Well, here's a few of your squats to reduce your number a bit. Brilliant challenge. Get up from your desk, do a few squats. Super powerful. Okay. My favorite. We're going to do a few variations of jumping jacks in this 2 minutes. The step jack is accessible to most of us, I think. We can go more quickly if we like. Slow, where we really stretch it out. It becomes a stretching exercise. I'm going to sort of go in between. Nice pace. Stretching it out. We've been talking a bit about movement over medicine. I like to think of momentum over motivation. We're never going to be motivated. The action creates the motivation. So just with 2 minutes of simple action, there will build motivation. We got to get started. Anything you can do in 2 minutes or less today, go and do it. Washing up. Amazing what you can get accomplished in 2 minutes of tidying up or cleaning a room. And often you start, I don't want to, okay, I can do 2 minutes. Once you get started, it's like, hey, this isn't so bad. I can keep going. Same thing with working out. We don't need 30-minute workouts. It's wonderful if you can do it. By all means, go for it. I'm going to go into my jumping jack here. Ramp it up a bit. If the jumping doesn't work for you, just keep with the step jack. Take it on. The philosophy. Okay. I can do anything for 2 minutes. 2 minutes of movement really does go a long way. And then maybe it does motivate us to go a little longer. Okay. I love, lateral shuffle. You can just be like this. This is a great move. Actually, let's do this for a moment before we go full lateral. We can get our arms going also. Remember to comment, job done, when you get done this workout. It's a celebration of a small win. We really want to celebrate small wins. Okay, now let's move laterally. It's great for hip mobility. We're usually just walking, running forward. Want to move in dynamic ways. Think about no effort is too small. Lower the bar. No matter what you're trying to accomplish, you want to be a writer. Write one sentence. Write two the next day. Write one sentence per week. No effort is too small. We build on it. Most of the information out there is very sensationalized. Hiking Mount Everest. Running 100-mile marathons. That's your thing. Brilliant. For most of us, a little bit of light movement continually through our day. It's going to make us incredibly healthy. And just feel good, self-confidence. Move through our day with a little more strength, a little more ease. Oh. Okay. The runner's lunge, a few variations of this as well. But for right now, let's just a gentle step back. Swing the arms. We'll slowly start to sink a little bit deeper. I think physical activity, exercise, so much we see is about the aesthetics, how we look. And that's a nice byproduct. It's nice to wake up in a nice lean body, but a lot of that really comes from our diet. Get physical activity for our mental health. I know when I move, I'm in a better mood. My energy is higher. When you have some flexibility and you don't have the aches and pains, life is just more wonderful. Going a little bit deeper. One more this way. And then let's do it forward. And just go as low as you can. Building the strength in the legs. Dynamic movement. Getting the heart rate up a bit. What can you do in 2 minutes today? Let me know. It's our last exercise for the day until we come into our extended meditation. One more. Shake it out. Brilliant. 2 minutes. Take 2 minutes to walk around the house, go up the stairs, anything for 2 minutes that you're going to get accomplished in 2 minutes. Don't think about it. Don't delay. Do it immediately. And procrastination will leave your vocabulary. Okay. 2 minutes. Let's just be here now. Just focus. Bring all your attention into this moment. Meditation for 2 minutes, a few times a day, can transform your life also. Just learning how to pay attention, to be here now. To not stress about a future we can't control or ruminate about a past we can't change. Every time the mind wanders, just bring it back. Be here now. You can bring your attention to the sensations of your body. Maybe your fingers are tingling. Maybe the heat that you've just generated. Know where to get to. This moment is the most important moment of the day. Notice the mind wanders, just bring it back. Just be here now. Oh, shake it out. That felt great. I hope you feel as good as I do. Remember, comment, job done, inspire others, and it is a small victory. And just compound those victories throughout the day. 2 minutes or less, do it without delay, and we will build consistency and discipline and so much more. I will see you tomorrow. Well done.